This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Greg Calloway. The marina currently does not offer electric, pump out or fuel, in process of rebuilding. 48 F-25 will accommodate a boat up to 51 feet 7 inches with approved variance. Maximum beam is 16 feet 11 inches. Condo Association fee $350 a month and includes use of the Marina Center. $150 application fee once. Non-residents pay $286 annually to the Master Association for community access. Concrete floating docks with electricity. The marina has a pump out near each slip, a fuel dock with gas and diesel, laundry, showers and full-time staff 7 days a week. Most of the stated beam width has been measured by marina staff, but some of the beam width have not been measured, so the developer numbers are stated. The Gulf Harbour Marina is actually on the Intracoastal Waterway about 5 miles to the Gulf of Mexico. For more information, review the details below or contact Greg Calloway at 239-851-8783.